Which of these is a polygon?
Triangle.
How many sides does a triangle have?
Three.
How many sides does a quadrilateral have?
Four.
A polygon with all sides equal and all angles equal is called?
Regular polygon.
How many sides does a pentagon have?
Five.
How many sides does a hexagon have?
Six.
Which polygon has 8 sides?
Octagon.
Which polygon has 7 sides?
Heptagon.
A polygon with 10 sides is called?
Decagon.
The sum of interior angles of a triangle is?
(180°).
The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is?
(360°).
Which of the following is not a polygon?
Circle.
How many sides does a nonagon have?
Nine.
How many sides does a dodecagon have?
Twelve.
The sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always?
(360°).
A polygon with all sides unequal and all angles unequal is called?
A regular polygon.
How many diagonals does a triangle have?
Zero.
How many diagonals does a quadrilateral have?
Two.
How many diagonals does a pentagon have?
Five.
The sum of interior angles of a hexagon is?
720°.